Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here at the messy desk, and we just finished it ended up showing up as less than 3 hours, but at first it was showing 3 hours of a live video, but we had some technical difficulties. And anyway, I made embellishments and I added some items to my Just Junk journal. This journal is made entirely from things that most people would be throwing away at this point. So I added this little charm, this little dangle, and it's made with a earring that I had in my broken jewelry box, and some of the scarf. I also added it to this bookmark that comes to the center of the journal, and it is tied off here, and you can take it off if you want to. But this is my journal and I am really excited. I hand crocheted this, and I showed you how to hand crochet in the video, in the live video. Let's see, I also added back here this clear pocket, and then I made this tag this comes from DMV here in California. Those are some of the license plates that you can get, personalized license plates, and it came in the mail. Actually, I did bills today and it was in there. And let's see, well, I think that I added the button and the star to these pieces from this also. I don't think I added anything else. Oh, I made this paper clip out of this little tag and tied it off with the hemp string there, and it just goes here and holds this tag, and it also holds this tag. So, oh, I did add, finally, the pocket back here. This is so colorful. I love it. So there's a pocket here now. And, yeah, so the other things I added at other times. So let's go ahead and close this for right now. We'll just set it right there. So this is going to be my happiness journal. So I made all of these during the video. I made this little tag with this is the negative after I used these cherry stickers. And you'll see in my journal, I've used the rest of the sticker sheet as well. And I had these cupcakes all through it that had these cherries because I love the colors. Added the wish and that there, and then there's journaling on the back. This one, I wanted to put this license plate in, and I folded this stamp, and so there's that. Then here's one of the cherries and a Project Life. Here's one of several tags that I made. I love these. They are awesome. Made a little tiny book, little tiny journal here out of packaging. There's some more of those cherries. I collaged this and added that to the back. I love this tag. It has a pocket here. Journaling, collage, another one of those cool tags. And this one, oh, I love this one. So, like I said, I made all of these while I was live. So, there. So, I have a whole lot of tags and fun things to add into this journal. Just fun things to make me happy. There, again, I did some more of the hand crocheting or finger crochet. And here's a little more. It's an Irish Spring box envelope. This little tag. This is I think I might want to add something more to this, and then this is what I was making when we died, when the video stopped. So I went ahead and continued to decorate the dress. I added this squished eyelet and made a little necklace, and I love this. I just think it's so much fun. So that you can catch me making all of that. Just put it on and play it and sit back and, you know, drink some coffee or make something really cool. And I hope you'll go check it out. I'm just about finished with my journal and hope to have the next video. There's the punches, scissors, staples video, and then there will be the flip through. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. The link to the live video is in the description box. And have a great day. Thank you for being here. Bye. Oh, and best part, you get to see Chip if you watch the live video. He shows a paw and his little face, and then he's gone. So check it out.